Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Wise to create a business US bank account. So for example, you're trying to set up a business in the US and you need a US bank account that comes in your business name. All right, so in today's video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So the first thing I want you to do now is to create an account with Wise. If you don't have an account with them already, I'm going to add a link at the description of the video. So just go to the description of the video, click the link there and set up an account for yourself with Wise. So to create an account, what you want to do is click on the link, and when you click on the link, this is what you're going to see. So click on open an account. So when you click on open an account, it's going to prompt you to enter the email address you want to use to create the account. So enter the email address, and after you've entered the email address, it's going to prompt you to enter a password. So enter your password and create your account. So once you've done that, you'll be able to log into your account. So the next thing you want to do is to verify the account by uploading your national ID or any means of identification you can use to verify your account. So once your account is created, the next thing you want to do now is to log in to the account. So once you are logged into the account, you have the privilege to create a personal account and a business account. So you having a personal account will give you the ability to create a US bank account in your personal name. But for the sake of this video, what we are trying to do is to create a business US bank account, that is a bank account in the US that comes with your business name. So what you want to do is you want to click on your profile icon here. So when you click on it, you're going to see the option to open a business account. So click on open a business account here. So once you click on it, enter the country at which you want to create the business account. So in our case, it's going to be the United States. So here I'm going to enter United States. All right, so this is United States. So click on United States. Then after that, it's going to prompt you to choose the company type you are trying to create. So in our case, it's going to be LLC. So for you to be able to create a business bank account with Wise, you need to set up an LLC in the US first. All right, so after you've created an LLC in the US, your EIN and your business details is what you're going to be using to create a business bank account with Wise. I've created several videos on how you can actually set up your business in the US using Northwest. So I'm actually going to add a link at the description of the video to Northwest that you can use to set up a business in the US. So once your business is set up, the next thing you want to do is to copy your EIN and use the details to set up your bank account with Wise. So in our case here, what we're going to be choosing is going to be LLC, which is limited liability company. So enter LLC here. Then after that, it's going to ask you to enter your registered business name, that is the business name you've registered in the US. Then after that, enter your EIN number here. So here I'm going to enter my business name. So after that, I'm going to enter my EIN so we can continue. Then after that, I'm going to click on continue. So the next thing you want to do now is to enter your business address in the US, that is the business address for the business you registered in the US. So if you are using Northwest, it comes with a free business address that you can use for your business. Like I said, I'm going to add a link to Northwest at the description of the video, so you can just go there and use them to form your business in the US. So what I'm going to do now is enter the business address here so we can proceed. So I've just entered my business address. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to scroll down here, then click continue. So the next thing you have to do now is to choose a category for your business. So this is going to help them verify your account fast. So what you want to do is you want to choose an option that is the category for your business in the US. So here I'm just going to choose consulting, IT, or business services. If your own is registered for an e-commerce website, what you want to do is you can actually come here, then choose retail, e-commerce, and the like. So here I'm going to choose consulting, IT, and business services. So subcategory, so I'm just going to choose advertising and marketing. So the next thing here is it says, do you have a website, social media, Amazon, and the likes? So here I'm going to choose yes. Then I'm going to enter my social media profile here. So after that, what you want to do is choose the size of your business. So I'm going to click the drop down menu, then I'm going to select one. Okay, so after that, what you want to do is you want to scroll down, then click on continue here. So next, just confirm your address. So all you have to do is just click on continue. So the next part here is just them trying to upsell you to upgrade to a paid plan. So what you want to do is you want to choose the second one, which is the essential features, which is going to cost you $0. So what you want to do is come over here, then click on get essential features. So as you can see, our account has just been created, and this is just the process for you to send money if you're going to be sending money from Wise. All right, so here this is where you're going to enter the amount you want to send. This is the next step is where you have the recipient that is going to receive the money. So if you click on continue, you're going to see the option that is you could either send to someone using Wise tag or enter their bank details. So after this step, they are going to review it. Then after the review stage, you're going to head over to the pay stage where you can actually send the money. So for you to know more about your business account that you've just created, so just click on your profile icon here, then click on business details. So here you're going to see everything about your business information, your business address, and the likes. So once you're okay and you are sure everything is okay, and if there is anything you want to adjust, all you have to do is just come over here, then click on edit so you can edit it. So once you're okay, the next thing you want to do is click on the drop down menu, then click on your business account. So once you click on the business account, it's going to take a while for them to verify the account and approve the account. So once you are logged into your account, you're going to see the options of bank accounts you can create. So you can either create in USD, Euro, and some other stuff. So if you want to copy your USD bank account, what you want to do is you want to click on USD here. So when you click on USD, you're going to see the option to add, convert, send, and receive. So when you click on receive, it's going to bring out your banking details, and this is where you can copy your banking account, your routing number, and the likes, and send it to whoever that is going to be sending money to your US bank account on Wise. All right, so this is basically how you can use Wise to create a business account in the US. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.